going on, bros and girls? So I'm just doing a quick unedited video here just to show you guys some gear that I just got recently, which I am very excited to unbox, and I will also be updating you on my channel and some videos that I will be uploading in the near future. So I'll be unboxing most of this stuff here except for a few things, mainly this 5770 card as well as my 7970, which I already did an unboxing. You can check out my channel for that one. I probably won't be doing unboxing for these Infinity cables because they're cables and no one really cares about that. But yeah, they're all included for a reason, that reason being that I am doing a new build. And the new build isn't anything extreme or anything. It won't be replacing my main gaming / work rig, which is over here still running strong, and it doesn't need it upgrading for a while. But this new build is mainly for a secondary computer / home theater PC, and this build will also serve the purpose as being a budget gaming build. It will show you all what you can get for sub $500 minus a monitor, which I'm sure all of you already have. This monitor is just shown mainly because I'll be doing a future unboxing for it. It's not really related to the build video. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys visualize what you can get for under $500 and show you that you don't need to spend like $1,000, $2,000 on a gaming rig to play the latest games. You could definitely do it for under $500 comfortably. And for the build, I will be using the Bitfenix Prodigy case. This one is in Arctic White. My motherboard will be the P8H77i. And the mouse that I'll be using is this Asus Lamborghini wireless mouse. I actually got it, yeah, just for this build, but now that I look at it, I really like the look of it, and I might actually use it as my main gaming rig mouse when I want to use something wireless. So here it is. It looks really nice. It looks even nicer in person. The packaging is kind of reflecting off this, so you can't really see much of the details. But here's the RAM that I'll be using. It's the Corsair Vengeance RAM. It's 8 GB. It's in blue because I want to do a white and blue theme with a bit of black trim. And yeah, it's 1600 megahertz and it's CL9 rated, as you can see somewhere there, yeah. And I got that for a good price. Aside from that, this, as I already said, is a future unboxing, the 2312 IPS Dell Monitor. And here's some Bitfenix sleeved extension cables that I got. It's the Alchemy Premium Modding Series. And I was going to put it in this new Prodigy build, but they look so nice that I might even just throw them in my main rig. And I want to get your thoughts on a few things. I want to kind of start a discussion in the comments section, which I will be answering and I will be frequently checking. Yeah, I want to get your thoughts on what video card I should use. I have a few options. I can either use integrated. I could use my old 5770K, which I took out of here after I upgraded to the 7970. Or I can just get another one. Let me know your thoughts on that. Also, your thoughts on what CPU I should get. And please remember, this is a budget-oriented build, so no suggestions of 3770Ks, which is complete overkill for my purpose. And also, I want to let you guys decide on what I unbox first and in what order. You have a few choices between the RAM, the Lamborghini mouse, the motherboard, the white Prodigy case, as well as my CPU that I get in the future, and my video card if I get a new one. And lastly, I want to let you guys know that I'm thinking about showing you the whole process, kind of doing a how-to series. So let me know your thoughts on that if you'd like to see that, or if you just want me to show you what each part looks like in the system as it comes along. So one last thing I forgot to mention, which is a total noob thing of me to do, was I haven't gotten my PSU or SSD / hard drive. So let me know what your suggestions are for that. For the SSD, I'm thinking going an Intel 330 120 gig and just networking it with my other computers to give me the mass storage. But yeah, for PSU, for power supply unit, I just want to let you know that it does, the case does limit you to about under 160 millimeter lengths, so something smaller would be preferable. Let me know what your suggestions are for those components. And I hope you guys all enjoyed my channel update video. It was a bit longer than I thought it would be. But yeah, let's get some discussion going down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. You guys are the ones who watch my videos, so let me know what your component suggestions are, as well as what order I should unbox these in, and whether or not I should do a whole process video series showing you from start to finish the kind of build log. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would help me out tremendously. And until next time, YouTube, peace!